I can hear the trampoline duff is calling at the back. And I can just hear also the southern bubu. It's also calling on my right. Trampoline duff, die groen vlerkduifie. Hy roep ook aan die agterkant. The part-throated epalus, I also hear it, die bankeel klein jantjie. Another trampoline duff is calling at the back. Southern bubu as well, I can hear it. Good day guys, Noel Isaacs here from the Baviaanskloof, also known as Explore the Baviaans, where I show the beauty through my video content with you guys, the beauty about the Baviaanskloof. And I hope you guys actually really enjoy my videos I made and share with you guys out there. The Baviaanskloof, it's a World Heritage Site because of its high number of biodiversity. I'm just sitting here and listening to a few different common birds around the area. And then yeah, it is still early morning, and then the interesting thing is that the birds are really active early mornings and late afternoons, in a way they actually are really active with these different types of calls and communication, feeding calls, etc. It's just an amazing out here guys, and I really hope to see you soon in the Baviaanskloof. Come and do what we love. There's different types of activities that you can do. You can do some bird watching, cycling, you can do the running. You can also do some hiking, even also swimming as well. We have different accommodation sites such as your campsites, B&B, self-caterings, accommodation. And then yeah, it is just an amazing to be out here in the Baviaanskloof, which is also known as the Valley of Baboons, die Vallei van Bobbejaanland. Why? Because the Baviaanskloof, you will find the Tsakpa baboons throughout the whole Baviaanskloof Valley. Doesn't matter if you're coming from the Willowmore side, which is located on the western side of the Baviaanskloof, or whether you're coming in from the east, which is the Potensi, Cambria side. You will definitely come in encounter with the big guys, which is known as the baboons.